All right, we're gonna go ahead and show you what you need to change a tire. Here you go. You're gonna need a jack. It's gonna lift your car into the air. You're gonna need a block to put under your tires so your car doesn't go rolling away. You'll need your star wrench to take your lug nuts off. You might need a screwdriver to take your wheel caps off. So let's go ahead right off, and we can go ahead and take our hubcaps or your wheel covers off. Pop that sucker off right there. Get your wrench, your star wrench. You can start cranking. Before you even get it in the air, just kind of loosen them first. Just break them. Don't spin them all the way out. Just get them a little bit loose. That way your tire won't spin when you try to loosen these things. And do all that. Sometimes they're on way too tight. All right, so we got a little bit of loose there. We're gonna do the jack next. So make sure you find the right spot. Solid piece of steel underneath your truck. Do not put it over your oil cap or anything crazy. Put it right on the frame of your vehicle. Start cranking. As you'll see the tire go up. We already put our block behind the tire already, so we got our safety going. Start cranking on that. Next thing you know, your tire should be in the air. All right, taking this off with your star wrench, but if you don't, get one of these. And your tire is off. There you go.